Alright guys, so today I am doing a Instant Pot stew review. So I made some chicken drumsticks, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip off the meat and then put it into my stew. So I'm just going to wait, these are all cooked, it's just finished. I'm just going to wait until it cools down and then do it. And then I'm going to add it all together. We have some onions, some rice, and then I'll put it all together. So stay tuned guys, just give me a minute. Alright, and so as you can see, the chicken is all pulled apart. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start with my broth with the Instant Pot. So I'm going to add some onions and everything, so I'll be right back, I'll show you. Alright, so here's my Instant Pot, there's those onions. I'm going to add some wild rice to it. I got a can of garlic and olive oil, tomatoes. And then I'm going to put the meat in there, I'm going to put it all in there, make a nice thick stew. So I'll be back guys, stay tuned. Alright, so I have it cooking right now in the Instant Pot. So what I added in there is some frozen vegetables, the chicken, the rice is in there, the onions, and the can of tomatoes. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you what the end result looks like. Alright, as you can see it's all done now. And so you see the broccoli, so the rice is all done. As you can see, it gets nice and flavored. It's pretty good. It's rice is soft. Get a lot of flavor from the vegetables. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.